And we're going to pause it right there and bring in criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor David Bruno to discuss. David, good to see you. What's your take on this cold case, once cold case? Because the sister's talking now, and we're going to be hearing about scratches that she saw, but it wouldn't have been something that would have been part necessarily of the investigation 24 years ago.
Yeah, 24 years, right? So anytime I look at a cold case, and I was in the homicide unit, so I had some responsibility for reviewing cold cases as well. But anytime I look at it, I always have to ask the question, what changed? What was that critical piece of evidence? Because obviously it went so long without that. And we're at proof beyond a reasonable doubt at this trial when the investigation was at probable cause. So you have to think that they had questions about the veracity of their evidence for a very long time. And then it sounds like this cooperating witness comes forward with the request of immunity. So if that's the case, obviously that's going to be the big change. So the question's going to be, is this a credible source? And the prosecutor's going to try to build up corroborating evidence to support that individual, while the defense is going to be trying to tear down the cooperating witness to challenge the reasonable doubt. That's where I see it going.
Yeah, certainly they're going to be tearing down this witness if and when he takes the stand. We expect him to take the stand because the state has said that. You know what I'm seeing, that picture that we've been showing of the $20,000 reward that was out there for any information. I mean, this is the dream of so many people who have dealt with a case that has gone cold, it's unsolved, and they just want closure. They just want answers. So in this case, finally someone did come forward. That is what you want. But to your point, the defense is likely going to have a heyday with him.
Without a doubt, just on its face, I mean, a financial benefit. Anytime you're going after a witness like that, you're attacking all of the motivations. It could be bias, it could be financial, it could be getting a benefit and leniency off a sentence or a plea. So any opportunity defense attorneys have to attack and go after credibility is critical on such an important witness like that.
Yeah, absolutely, David. Thank you for that analysis. We're going to step to our break when we come back.